Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily log out of your CarX Street account. You can follow these steps on a mobile device or your tablet or even iPads. So let's get started. First of all, open up the CarX Street game and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once it does, go to the top left corner and tap on the adjust or the gear icon or the settings icon, and once you're inside, go to the top of the screen and tap on sync. After you're inside the sync tab, you'll see a logout button at the top right. To log out of your account, click on logout and confirm by tapping yes in the pop-up. Soon after you confirm, you'll be able to log out of your CarX Street account. You'll be taken back to the login screen where you can switch accounts, sign in again, or stay logged out. So that's it. That's how super easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.